Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you an update on the construction work to start on Lady Musgrave Road. Now we are on Lady Musgrave Road, and here you can see Water Commission laying new pipes along the road. Now this road is going to be changed from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. It's going to be upgraded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes, and it's a project. The project is going to start sometime this year, later in the year. So Water Commission is actually going through now and putting in the pipes so that after the road is paved over and fixed, they have the new pipes, and chances are less that they will have to dig it up. So just giving you a quick update. So it's good that the pipes are being laid, because then they can actually start the expansion of the road very soon. Alright, this is 80 LMR here. Very nice complex. We're just going to turn around and take a tour of the rest of Lady Musgrave Road. Alright, we wanted to turn around, so we're just going to drive through as there is a car behind us. So this is a commercial complex. Stores, offices, those kind of stuff. You can see it has a lot of cars. It seems to be very popular. One drawback to these buildings is the parking. If you notice, the newer buildings, they have a few floors like the ascent. The few floors at the bottom are designated for parking, and then even the one on Holborn Road, the first 4 floors reserved for parking. I'm not sure about the Rogers, but I'm sure with 99 apartments in there, they must have some floors reserved for parking as well. Okay, on the right is 23 LMR, very nice plaza or commercial building. It's not finished yet, but it's very close to being completed. We have videos up giving a tour of that complex, so you can check it out. Here is the work that's being done. And if you notice, this road can be expanded quite easily, because it was always designed to be 4 lanes. You see how much space there is on the left and how much space there is on the right? Look, if you look at where the fences are and the light poles, you'll see that when it was designed to be 4 lanes. So Barbican Road was recently upgraded to 4 lanes, and East Kings House Road is going to be upgraded to 4 lanes, and Lady Musgrave Road to 4 lanes. So it will definitely help with the flow of traffic in the city of Kingston. And both Lady Musgrave Road, which is the road we're on, and East Kings House Road, which is the road that leads you from Barbican to Lady Musgrave Road, both will be done, or both projects should be started this year. The funds were actually allocated and the contractor chosen some time ago, but the project just never started. And when we say some time ago, I mean from the last fiscal year for the government. But they have announced that the upgrade projects are going to start this fiscal year. Sometime between now and December, it should be started. Now, I'm not sure who the contractor is, but if it's a local contractor, then unfortunately we're going to be looking at an extended period for the road to be built. Wow, this is something you don't see every day. It looks like they are moving a house. There is some structure on the back of that trailer. If anybody knows who the contractor is to renovate or expand Lady Musgrave Road and East Kings House Road, can you leave a comment in the section below? We'll include it in one of the update videos. And remember, we give you videos every 2 weeks on all the major construction projects, and an update video at least once a month on all the other projects. So this road we'll keep giving you updates on until the project is completed. And when the road expansion actually starts, then we will give you updates every 2 weeks. So this is still Lady Musgrave Road. Lady Musgrave Road goes all the way down to Hope Road, Old Hope Road. Now on the left here, they are actually starting a project. And then straight ahead on the left where you see the blue fence, they're also starting another project. So we'll keep you guys updated on both. And further down, they are actually building a commercial building. And then Lady Musgrave Road leads into Brompton Road, where they are going to be building the Bonnie Chance, which is 10 floors residential. But we'll keep you guys updated on all these projects. This is another one over here. Let's see if they have taken down. Okay, they are in the process of taking down the structure that's there. And then straight ahead coming into view is where the zinc fence is. They will be putting up a commercial building there. We have videos up of this project straight ahead, so you can check it out on the channel. There you can see the actual structure. Okay, coming up on the right now is where you see that red wall. That's Brompton Avenue, and down that road is where they're going to be building the Bonnie Chance. This one right here, this turn, down there they're going to be building the Bonnie Chance building, which is residential apartments, 10 floors. They haven't actually started yet, but we will keep you guys updated as soon as they start. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.